Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Daily English Zone. I'm Zoe, and this is Shadowing Practice, Episode 5. Today, we will talk about a very useful topic. We will talk about work and study. Yes, work and study. Two big parts of daily life. If you are learning English, you probably want to talk about your job. You probably want to talk about your school. You want to say what you do every day. You want to ask others about their job too. That's why this episode is so helpful. You will learn how to speak about work and study. Slowly, clearly, and with confidence. Fraught. This is your time to shadow. This is your time to speak with me. So please, relax. Take a deep breath. Smile. Let's begin. Part 1. Talking about work. Let's start with work. I will teach you how to say what you do. I will give you short, simple sentences. You will listen. Then you will repeat. Are you ready? Let's go. I work in an office. I work in an office. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I help students learn. I help students learn. I'm a driver. I'm a driver. I drive a taxi. I drive a taxi. I'm a nurse. I'm a nurse. I work in a hospital. I work in a hospital. I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer. I design buildings. I design buildings. I'm a cashier. I'm a cashier. I work in a supermarket. I work in a supermarket. I'm a chef. I'm a chef. I cook food in a restaurant. I cook food in a restaurant. These are simple ways to talk about your job. You can also say what you like about your job. I like my job. I like my job. I enjoy working with people. I enjoy working with people. My job is interesting. My job is interesting. I meet many people every day. I meet many people every day. Now let's try asking someone about their work. What do you do? What do you do? Where do you work? Where do you work? Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Is your job hard? Is your job hard? These are friendly questions. You can ask them when you meet someone new. Part 2. Talking about study. Now let's talk about study. Many of you go to school. Or maybe you study at home. Let's learn how to talk about that. I'm a student. I'm a student. I study English. I study English. I study at a language school. I study at a language school. I study every day. I study every day. I do my homework at night. I do my homework at night. I have class in the morning. I have class in the morning. I study at home. I study at home. I learn online. I learn online. Now let's say what we like about studying. I enjoy learning new words. I enjoy learning new words. I like speaking English. I like speaking English. I feel happy when I understand. I feel happy when I understand. I want to speak better. I want to speak better. Now let's ask questions about study. What do you study? What do you study? Do you go to school? Do you go to school? Do you like studying English? Do you like studying English? Is English hard for you? Is English hard for you? These are useful questions for making friends. You can talk about your studies. You can learn about others too. Part 3. Talking about daily routines. Now let's mix work and study. We will talk about daily routines. This helps you practice speaking about your life. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I take a shower. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. Then I go to work. Then I go to work. I start work at 9 a.m. I start work at 9 a.m. I take a break at 12 p.m. I take a break at 12 p.m. I eat lunch with my coworkers. I eat lunch with my coworkers. I finish work at 5 p.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. Then I go home. Then I go home. I study English in the evening. I study English in the evening. I listen to podcasts. I listen to podcasts. I practice shadowing. I practice shadowing. Then I eat dinner. Then I eat dinner. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. These are examples of simple sentences. They help you talk about your full day. Part 4. Emotions about work and study. Now let's add feelings. How do you feel about your job or school? I feel tired after work. I feel tired after work. My job is busy. My job is busy. I feel happy when I study. I feel happy when I study. English is fun. English is fun. Some days are easy. Some days are easy. Some days are hard. Some days are hard. But I keep going. But I keep going. Chapter. I want to get better. I want to get better. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. You can say these things to yourself. They help you stay positive. They help you keep learning. Part 5. Practice time. Short story. Now let's practice with a short story. I will speak slowly. You can repeat after me. Let's begin. My name is Sarah. I live in Turkey. I work in a bakery. I wake up early every morning. I start work at 6 a.m. I bake bread and cakes. I work with my brother. He helps me in the kitchen. I like my job. I enjoy making food for people. After work, I go home. I rest for a little while. Then, I study English. I want to speak better. I use this podcast to practice. I listen. I repeat. I learn. English is not easy, but I keep going. Every day, I learn a little more, and I feel proud. Final words from Zoe. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did great. We talked about work. We talked about study. We talked about daily life. And we practiced simple real English. Remember, practice a little every day. Speak out loud. Use shadowing. Don't give up. You are not alone. I'm here with you. You are growing. Step by step. Word by word. Sentence by sentence. If you liked this episode, please like, comment, subscribe to Daily English Zone so you never miss your English practice. I'm Zoe. Thank you for listening. See you next time.